Hey guys, today let's learn how to share all of our liked songs on Spotify all at once. So if you guys are wondering how to share all of your liked songs on Spotify all at once, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to actually do first is to go ahead and launch the Spotify application. Now going over onto our liked songs playlist, there is actually no way, as you would notice, to share this playlist since this playlist is only available to us and viewable by us. If we do, though, on the other hand, would like to go ahead and share this playlist to other people, what we can actually do in order for us to do this is to create a playlist from our liked songs. So how do we actually do that? If we'd like to go ahead and do that all together with all of these songs that we have over here, well, what we can actually do in order for us to proceed with doing this is to create a playlist first out of our liked songs. And this is actually possible through the PC version of Spotify. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that right now. And what we should see is something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a PC version of Spotify. I'm going to go on over to my liked songs playlist. Now tapping on your control keys on your keyboards and then the A key will select all of the songs on your playlist. Now from here, I would like you guys to proceed with basically choosing your preferred playlist you'd like to go ahead and send these songs to. In this case, you can always go ahead and just do a quick right click on here and proceed with creating a new playlist. And we have this playlist right here. I'm going to go ahead and just use this playlist number 23. And let's see, it's going to be right here on the top. Going over on my liked songs once more, of course, tapping on Control A, dragging and dropping this over on my preferred playlist will actually create a playlist from my liked songs. And once we tap on this playlist, we will see all of the different songs. And as you would notice, these are also our liked songs. So now we could go ahead and now tap on the share button on here and share it, and also copy the link to this playlist and share it on other platforms. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.